During the pandemic, I got nervous frequently, and I did arts and crafts, and it instantly calmed me down. Art is a way to just help me relax and feel comfortable, and it's a gift. It just, for me, distracts me and just is my happy place. It might be a lot of different things for other people, but for me, it just takes my mind off whatever I'm worried about. I went to my dad and told him how much art meant to me, and together we created Art Love.
This was completely her idea to start Art Love, and the fact that she recognized how much art helped her, and that triggered her to want to bring art to other children who may not have access to art.
Art Love builds art kits with a bunch of different art supplies in them and gives them to children facing hardships. Some of those hardships are homelessness, food insecurities, and medical problems. My dad and I were just brainstorming through names, and I said love art. He said, what about Art Love? It's kind of catchy. And then I'm like, oh yeah, that's really catchy, let's do that.
As we're approaching the 1-year mark, it's become basically a full-time job, and it's been a real joy, and I've learned so much. Once COVID's over, we're hoping to branch out and reach out to corporations to see if they would like to participate in building kits for Art Love.
It's very rewarding knowing that just a single kit will make one kid so much more happy.
Basically, our main goal is just to keep the funds coming so we can help kids receive the kits and enjoy the gift of art. One thing that we're really excited about is starting to branch out globally and tap into the incredible artists all throughout the world.
I'm really excited that Art Love has broken the US borders and went into a different continent, but I could not have done it without the help of my family, the board, and all of our volunteers. I see Art Love continuing to help children facing hardships and just continuing to thrive, I guess.
A lot of kids who experience trauma, art is an avenue for them to move through the trauma, move past it, process it, and we've seen with Ava how helpful art can be for her emotionally and mentally, giving her peace, resetting her mind when she's struggling, and just moving through and expressing herself and sharing her ideas. Arun and I are so proud of Ava. We think what she's done is amazing. She's led us on this path through Art Love, and it's been wonderful meeting new people in the community, sharing her happiness and joy of love. So thanks, Ava. We're proud of you.